Big news, y'all. We got the PS5. Let's go! I have a caffeine problem. Woo! So I'm very excited to do this video for the PS5 unopening. Shout outs to my boy Gene for coming in clutch with this bad boy. He is fellow friend and tabletop gamer of mine on Team Trash. So shout outs to Gene and the boys in Team Trash. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. God. Alright, let's pretend like y'all didn't see that happen, right? Oh, there's boxes inside of boxes in this thing. Alright. We're gonna set all this stuff here aside. We'll take a look together. Oh boy. Oh baby. Box. 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 Oh. There she is. Oh man. Oh, look at this thing. It's everything I ever hoped and dreamed of. Alright, so let's take a look what's inside this baddie. Let's see what's up. Cool, cool. So you got the power cable. Looks like we got a safety guide. Couple guides. Quick start guide. And, oh, there we go. We got the control. Let's take a look. Oh. Look at that. Beautiful. Now this thing, oh wow. The feeling on this is amazing. You know, PS2, PS3, PS4, all the controllers are a whole lot skinnier. Feeling it on this, it's got a more full feeling. I like the way it feels in my hand. So this is so dope. So aesthetically pleasing with the black and white too. Cool deal. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Oh, look. Okay, so this is the bottom piece for the PS5. We'll figure out how to hook that up here in a minute. Oh, it looks pretty self-explanatory. Oh, nice. Okay. Cool. Another HDMI. And what do we got here? And it looks like the charger as well for the controls. Dope. Alright, so let's go back to setting this thing up. I put my placemat here just to make it look easier because the base is kind of dark, so that's what we're going to start off with. We're going to take the base and you want to align it. If you're going to do it vertical, just like that. And whenever you do that, it will reveal a screw that's supposed to be attached to the base. So you want to go ahead and take that out. Ah, stingy. Come on. There we go. Okay, so you want to take that little screw out there. And you want to take that. That's going to attach, keep the base, the PS5 on top. So you want to take that base. You're going to see this little screw on the bottom of the PS5. You want to take that out. And you want to, we're going to put this sideways so y'all can kind of see this. There we go. So we're going to take that. And we're going to put it in the bottom of the base there. attach it. So it's a flathead, so you can take a flathead screwdriver to it. Make things a lot easier. I don't have one on me handy at the moment, so I'm just gonna use my finger here and tighten it up as best as I can. Go back with a screwdriver later. And it looks like we're almost there. It's tightening up. Yeah, okay, that's nice and snug. Cool, so now we have it standing vertically. Cool deal. All right. So let's go ahead and plug this all in. All right, let's get this thing fired up. Nice. So I already went ahead and updated it in advance and, you know, put my Wi-Fi in and all that good stuff, signed in. So we're just going to explore this together. Let's see. Beautiful. Look at this thing. Cool, cool. Oh, also, just to show y'all real quick, any other streamers watching this video, I'm going to show you something really quick because I kind of had a small struggle with it. I figured it out. But what you want to do is if your game capture card's giving you a hard time, the PS5 has a way of blocking of game captures like that. So what you want to do is go to System, go to HDMI. You want to disable the HDCP because factory it's on, and what it'll do is it'll keep you from it'll keep the game capture from feeding it. So you want to turn that off, and that'll fix everything. So that took me a little bit to figure out on my own, but we got there. And let's see. Let's explore. Oh, look, you can check out broadcasts even from other players, like just right off of your PS5. That's amazing. So cool. Look at that. Let's go about the game store. Got it. Oh, Final Fantasy XIV's coming to PS5. That's right. Is it available now? Yeah, let's go ahead and knock that out. Cool. We're getting some downloads from some other games. If y'all watch some of my streams, you know that I play Final Fantasy XIV along with a lot of Warzone and Black Ops Cold War. I'm looking forward to doing some PS5 streams in the near future, so I'm looking forward to seeing y'all on my Facebook gaming and Twitch accounts. And something cool I wanted to show for the rest of y'all who bought PS4 games that qualify for a PS5 upgrade. Basically what you want to do is just put the PS4 game into the PS5. It'll pop up as the PS4 version. You just click on it. Excuse me. You want to go to the PS5 upgrade, so you want to do that. Accept and confirm purchase. And that's pretty much all I have to show for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the content. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks a lot.